Forget screeching parrots, they're talking tricksters with a talent for languages. Their impressive memories allow them to mimic human speech, songs, and even sounds like car alarms. But parrots aren't just copycats. Studies show they understand what they're saying, associating words with objects and using them in new contexts. Despite their vibrant feathers, parrots are surprisingly social creatures. They forge deep connections with their mates, sharing food, preening each other's feathers, and even mourning the loss of a companion with heartbreaking squawks. Encountering a parrot is like meeting a feathered confidant with a talent for theatrics. So next time you see a parrot, remember, it's not just a pretty bird, but a talented mimic, a surprising thinker, and a devoted friend, all in one fascinating package.